Today we have the 2020 Audi Q5. This vehicle has done just over 71,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, navigation, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Just below is our drive select. From here we can switch between our 6 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.